Zhongshan Ronghu Fashion Technology Co. Limited is a manufacturer and sales of clothing. Founded in 2011, Ronghu is a fashionable men's and women's clothing manufacturer with design, production and wholesale in one. We have professional trendy fashion designers and advanced production equipment, first-class pattern makers and craftsmen form a team with high-quality design, production, operations management, intelligent production equipment, industrial production mode, extended inspection of finished garments. We have a pattern design and production department, which can design styles, paper samples and sample garments according to different customers and different requirements. We produce samples according to the information provided by customers, pictures, samples, paper samples, technology sheets, and then mass produce them. We are highly appreciated by our customers for our exquisite workmanship, consistent pattern and quality standards, and on-time delivery. We have been in the garment industry for many years and have a mature quality system and excellent technical background. We accept OEM, ODM and fall orders for all kinds of knitted, woven and denim fashion. We believe we will do better and look forward to cooperating with you for a win-win situation.